What's up, everybody? I'm at Advanced Auto Parts. We're going to quickly install the mass airflow sensor on my Honda Accord. Sorry, the light's all blown out. I didn't bring a camera. I just have my cell phone, and I thought we would just record it. Got our mass airflow sensor, part MA190. It is a premium choice, Spectra Premium. Right here is the mass airflow sensor. We've got 2 screws. We're gonna unscrew it. We're gonna pull this clip. Super simple. Just don't lose the screws. Should be pretty easy. Here's our new one. We're gonna plop it in. I'll get the part number. I'll include it below. Looks perfect. We're gonna plop it in. And we pop this back on, and we are done.